Good morning. Time for another soap cutting video. Yesterday was soap making day, so today we'll be cutting most of it. A majority of what I made yesterday didn't really have any color swirls or anything like that, so the one that I did make that has a nice color swirl is this one right here. This is Orange and Patchouli, and the colors in this, the green is French green clay, and the orange is actually yellow Brazilian clay. But when it cures out, it has this nice orange color to it. And this one is made with sweet orange and dark patchouli essential oils. So I'm going to cut the little sliver off the end here, and then we'll do the rest. Now this is the same fragrance blend that we use for the shave soap, which I have to make more of that too. So nice little swirl there. The clays have that really nice soft pastel look to them. I wasn't planning on making this soap for another couple of weeks, but it kind of went on a run. It's hard to predict sometimes what's going to be the really popular soap. So I had to make it early because over the weekend we ran out. We had an event over the weekend, and this, just for whatever reason, was the popular soap. You never know what it's going to be. Try and guess and plan. And then it just doesn't always go the way you plan, so pivot and change things up, adapt. So let's get the one more bar out of here, and then we'll do the last full bar. Now we'll do the samples. This one might not work. This one might be mine. Oh, nope, there we go. Oh, that'll work. That'll work for samples. All right, guys, that'll do it. That's the only one I'm going to be cutting on video today. I have a bunch more to cut, but like I said, there's not a lot of color swirls or anything to them, so I'm not going to bother making a video and showing you those. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Take care.